Danhai Singleton over there chill out, you know what I mean? They are chill out for a little interview. Yeah. People who want to check out my new, well, you're not going to be able to check it out right now. But you know what I mean? We have a new music video come out very, very soon. You understand? And the song is titled I'll Be There. So just look out for that to come out very soon. I'm going to give you a little exclusive preview of my song. When I look into your eyes, I see the greatest gift in life. Don't wanna see you cry. No, I don't wanna see you cry. Oh, girl, you're so damn special to me, baby girl. I couldn't tell no lie, no lie. Oh, lie. Through the good and the bad times, the sad times and the bad times, I'll be there for you. Make your dreams come true. I'll be there. Yeah. You better know, I'll be there. Just look over your shoulder. I'll be there. Yeah. You better know, I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there. That's all me I give you for now still, you know what I mean? But just look out for the video. So, and in order to keep like updated with everything what me are going with right now, the whole movement and Danhai Singleton as an artist and as a person.
Where them can find you?
Just check out my fan page, Danhai Singleton.
Yeah.
Facebook. That's a Facebook. I mean for Instagram it's Danhai_Singleton. SoundCloud Danhai Singleton. Reverb Nation Danhai Singleton. I mean,
You on YouTube?
yeah, we're on YouTube, you know, just Danhai Singleton.
Yeah.
All of my videos,
So
them,
on
check them
all
out.
platforms,
Music.
check out Danhai Singleton.
Yeah.
His latest single coming out. You're actually shooting the music video for
Yeah.
what's the song?
I'll be there.
I'll Be There. If you want to be there, follow Danhai Singleton.
You want to be there like how I want to be there for you. Just be there, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Tune in, stay tuned.
Follow his page and show some love. Go ahead and share this video. Jamaica Have Talent Part 2.
And we're not finished yet
Oh,
still,
not
you know.
finished. Alright,
Yeah.
go ahead and wrap it up.
And we have an EP still, you know. We have an EP that's available on YouTube and SoundCloud right now. It's something free for the people, all my fans. I mean, you can check it out right now on SoundCloud. It's Metamorphosis. We type in Danhai Singleton and you follow me on SoundCloud. You'll see it. Just listen. I mean, it's a 9-track EP, so just check it out.
And give him your feedback and support his music. We can find his music on iTunes and
iTunes.
Spotify.
Yeah, Spotify, the whole works.
Yeah,
YouTube,
man, go ahead and
SoundCloud.
support his music.
Check it out.
Raw, rich, hopeful Jamaican talent. Jamaica Have Talent episode 3 part 2 is coming your way. Alright.
Thanks for having me here, you know what I mean?
You're welcome.